Hello everyone, welcome to Nano Learning 7. So today we'll continue with our journey of English learning, and that is steps to learn English for absolute beginners. We were doing step number 3. If you remember what step number 3 was, it was speaking simple sentences. So we covered the first part in speaking simple sentences. Basically that is start with the first word. We have already covered the first words. So today we'll be doing the action words. What are action words? So let's see what are action words. Action words, they are also known as verbs, are words that show what a person is doing or an animal or a thing is doing. What action is happening in the sentence? What is happening in the sentence? Let's look at few of the examples. I eat an apple. So this girl is eating an apple. So we know what action is being done, what action is being taken. Eat. She reads a book. This girl is reading a book. We play football. So these boys are playing football. That is the action. My mother cooks food. So the mother is cooking a food. Cooks is the action word, or you can say verb. I am a girl. Am is the action word. He is a doctor. Is. They are singing. Now you must be thinking, how come am, is, are, they are action words? They don't show anything. We don't come to know anything from these words. So I'll tell you. Am, is, are, and they are called be verbs or helping verbs. They are also called helping verbs. So these these action words are not, you will not find any action, but they are called be verbs and action words, which I'll be covering in my upcoming videos in details, how to use them and where to use them. Okay, so when you are using the be verbs or the helping verbs, you might get confused a lot of time. It happens, so I'll try to make it simple. For example, you might get confused whether I should say I am or I are, she is, she are, she am, or you might get confused whether it is they have or they has, right? So I have tried to make it simple through this table. Wherever it is am, are, you use this. With I, you will always use am. I am happy. With he, she, it, you will always use is. She is a teacher. With you, we and they, you will always use are. They are students. We are going to a picnic tomorrow, right? Wherever there's has, have, so whenever you use I, you, we, they, you will always use have. I have a pencil. They have an exam tomorrow. And wherever it is he, she, it, you will always use has. She has a cat. He has a great voice. So this is the way we use. This might seem difficult at this time, but it is very simple. With practice, with daily use, you will get used to it. You will understand it in a better way. So keep practicing for that. So that is all for today. Before going, as usual, there's a tip. Start with the daily actions you do. Whatever actions you are doing in your life, like eating, sleeping, I eat, I sleep, make simple sentences out of it. So you will have more practice. So if you really liked my video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.